I'm across this street. Brooke, where's the button?
Wait.
Oh, see, it says wait. And it's telling me to cross State Street and Center. Good job, you found the button. I noticed that on this intersection, there were no audio signals to cross the street. Those are the audio pedestrian signals that speak and say when you can walk and don't walk. I have a job as a blind person, make sure that I am in line with the traffic, that it's on which side it's on. That's my responsibility, but I do like the reassurance. I'm very happy to have met Deegan.
I have a permanent sticky with her contact information on it on my desk. When she calls and says, hey, I have an issue, I can get somebody out there within the next day or two, and we can look at it and figure out what we need to do to get it working better. We started deploying the new APS buttons, or these accessible buttons that have a lot more features. They talk to you, they vibrate. There's an app you can use on your phone.
He is so on top of these APSs. He's let me know that others that are blind, that I may know, that he's happy to put them in wherever they're needed for anyone that's in need due to some kind of disability.
Talking with her, I let her know, hey, we're going to eventually convert everything over to these. And if you've got some priorities, let me know. Linda is an incredibly brave person. And so I want to find ways to make it possible for everyone. That's what we're looking to do. We're not just about moving cars, we're about moving everybody in the community and getting them where they need to go.
Well, I have had people tell me how much they enjoy it. They like having those defined signals that let them know when it's safe to walk. Good girl. That gives a person such independence. Just any time they can feel like they're independent and doing something safely on their own, it's just empowering. I am so grateful for those signals.